Good morning. I'm meteorologist Tom Crenshaw with your morning update for Monday, October 10th, 2016. It's a relatively quiet weather day for the United States following a very busy 4 days for the East Coast. Currently, there's a low pressure system moving through the Pacific Northwest and is bringing snow to the higher elevations in northern Idaho and Montana. This system will continue moving to the east, bringing snow for areas of Wyoming as well. Another disturbance is moving northeast across Kansas and Nebraska at this time with isolated thunderstorms and rain. This area will move to the northeast, bringing scattered showers for Iowa for the rest of the day. Tropical storm Nicole is still roaming around the Atlantic. As of 11 a.m. Eastern Time, it's located approximately 455 miles south of Bermuda with sustained winds of 60 miles an hour. Nicole is currently moving north at 6 miles per hour as a forecast to strengthen to hurricane status before moving into the northern Atlantic. It's not a threat to anywhere but Bermuda at this time. Hurricane Matthew has finally made the transition to extratropical cyclone status, and his remnants are moving quickly to the northeast. During his 3-day jaunt up the East Coast, Matthew produced widespread damage, from wind, storm surges, extreme rainfall, and resultant flooding from Florida all the way to Virginia. There were numerous wind gusts reported in the 80 mile an hour to 90 mile an hour range, and several 90 to 100 mile an hour reports, with the highest recorded wind of 107 miles an hour taken by a wind tower on Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. Rainfall totals for Matthew exceeded 10 inches in many places, mainly in South Carolina and North Carolina, with the actual highest recorded value of 17.5 inches at Savannah, Georgia. Matthew was a tremendously damaging storm, and even though its track kept it just offshore. Unfortunately, many areas still struggle to recover from the impacts and will continue to do so for quite some time. The track Matthew took was possibly the worst case scenario, as the damage wasn't isolated to one specific area. Instead, the damage was spread out along much of the eastern seaboard, and full recovery will take some time, to be sure. For more information, be sure to like us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and check back often for further updates. I'm meteorologist Tom Crenshaw, and this has been your daily weather update.